Backtesting every day until unprofitable day 129. Let's go. So, still want to be trading the experimental session now in 2022. So, I only took one trade on this entire year so far. We'll see. 10th of January 2022. Looking for a day where you don't have news again. Alright, so Wednesday. Oh, we have meetings. Yo, Joshua. What's up, man? I'm great, man. How are you? So Wednesday we have meetings. I won't be trading this. Okay, skipping this. Monday also news. Damn. All these days we have news. Okay, so Tuesday or Monday, 7th of February will be the first day without any news that I can backtest then again. So I need to skip all these days. Did you trade today, Joshua? Damn, I'm skipping all of these days. But yeah, should be because I want to experiment trading no news days. Almost there. Taking the rest off year. Rest of the year off. Nice, man, nice. Because of the December price action or just because of the holidays? Price action was a bit off. Yeah, for me as well. Like, have you seen what happened today? Like, really, to me, no explainable move for this one. Like here. 9:30 open. I don't know who would have looked for longs until there. 9:30 open literally looked like this. And then this is what we get. It's crazy. Alright, so skipping all of this. I don't know what I'm doing with all these. Alright. Monday, 7th of February. Almost there. One more week. What is this day? Almost there. And there. All right. So again, a day where we have news. What I would normally be looking for on this, let's see. Okay, looking at liquidity. Just took some liquidity. Still bullish. No reason to look for lower. I could be looking at a 2 month. There's no reason to look for lower. But I will be looking for lower because we don't have any news on this day. This does look bullish from here. Still in the SIBI, so that would be better. Here's well, let's see what we are doing in this. Just looking at the structure, so bearish. You have taken this internal high. You even have some T at these highs. This be a low hanging fruit. This would also be a target. Equal lows. Alright, let's see. So looking for shorts. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it's 30-minute gets inversed to take out the buy side here. Price isn't giving good opportunities. Yeah, same for me. Like, I don't know. Price action in December is always crazy, and I've seen it from data as well. I think that's just a standard thing. Like, this looks like a nice run, but where I would be an entry. Alright, so let's see. Just looking at the structure. Yeah, looking still for the sell side here then. see what we do. Just skipping all of this and then looking for my entry. Sorry. For our, don't have anything here. We're holding this busy. We did inverse on this candle, 948. It would be a trade, but this would be probably a break even right away, so no. Wait for more structure, and then now it looks really zoomed in, but I don't know what I'm looking for with this. Look for bearish prices. If it does go higher, then like I'm not interested. That's totally fine. This 2 minutes got inversed right now, 10:02. After, what did we do? Okay, we did take out the buy setup here. Should be equalized on the S then. That would be the entry. Stop at the high. That would be the inversion. Break even would be on a 1-to-1. Safe, that would be the 1-to-1. First CP a minimum 1-to-2. We still have a 1-to-3. That'll be those lows as first CP. See if we even want to get there. Let's see. Oh yeah, break even on yes, that would be at this low then. It wouldn't be even this low actually. No, it's not even on here. So just looking at NQ then. Still be in this. Still be in this. That's a break even. And then the sell side here is here on ES. Let's see. Would still hold. Oh, beautiful. That's 75% off. Beautiful trade, I would say. And then full TP would be at the sell side here. If we even want to get there. I don't think we will. Let's see with that. Or it's going to be break even or TP, or it will be outside my kill zone, and then I'll manually close it. Which will be 1508. Still would be in this, and then that would be 1508, and that would be 100% off. Alright, and then full TP was at, I don't even know, 1-to-1. That's totally fine. And then how far did we get? 3.16, right. .79 RR. All right. Nice trade. Really nice one. And yeah. And that was on the 2 minutes. Copy a link. Sorry again. Damn. All right. Where are all these? Another W. So far, 2 trades taken, 2 W's. All right. That won't last for long. I know that for sure. 7th February. Go to Tuesday, 8th of February. Also no news. Let's see. Back to back. What would I be looking for in this? If it was a normal trading day where we had news, but we don't. So what would I be looking for then? I'd still be looking for bearish prices, bullish prices on the, if I was actually trading this day, but doing the opposite. So looking for bearish price. So that does look good then. Yeah. So, or actually, 2 hour we inversed. Okay, so no, I would be looking for shorts. Wait, what time was this? It was after 10 a.m. though. But yeah, I would be looking for a bearish price in this at 9:30 because we're in this range, and I think okay, no, that'll be in a 1 hour or maybe even in 30 minutes from this high. Yeah, it would be a 1 hour, and then we inverse this here on ES at 9:30. What would I be looking for? I'll be looking for lower prices. Also inverse this because we inverse this, and then yeah, this would be the first start. So I'm doing the opposite. I'm looking for bullish prices. Doing the exact opposite what I'll normally be doing on days where we don't have any news. So yeah, bullish here. Stage of accumulation. Original consolidation. Alright, let's see with this. Just looking at the structure, like we're still trending lower. We did take out internal. We do have an SMT at this. Also, again, looks good then for bullish prices. See what we do with the 9:30 Judas swing then. Okay, take out this low. Yes, taking out equal lows. Oh, and we did close above, so it is an entry. First CP minimum of 102, South Fade 103. That'll be first. And let's see with this. That'll be the inversion. Yes, taking out all these equal lows. Break even would be at high up here. Is it? Oh, it's actually here. And then yeah, that would be the break even, and we'll see what we do. And break even on ES. Also up there. All right, so let's see. That's break even. I can just remove this because I wouldn't have taken anything off there. That's break even trade. No re-entry. And we drop lower. Okay, so that did prevent me from getting fully stopped. So that's a nice break even. Wait, what is the inbox? Are there new people that ask for permission? That was only like for, I don't know. So putting this in here again. That'll be break even on a Tuesday. All right, and I will still be trading if it's the right time, which it is. See where we're trading towards. I do think we're gonna go lower to the low there. Like, it looks pretty obvious now, but let's see. I still looking for bullish prices because I have to. Did I miss an entry in here? 3 minutes. Got close above. It is an entry, and I have to take it, even though I don't like it because the stop is huge. It actually is huge. Wanted to be first CP. Crazy. All right. Or is it a 4-hour low taken? All right, yeah, ES did. Okay, so it's waiting for at least 5-minute low to get swept. That's good. So let's see. Okay, that's a 5-minute low. Now I can look for bullish price. Don't think we want to go higher though, but I now can, if it does present itself, which it does, then I have to take it. All right. Boom. Place, save. First TP, minimum of 102, South Fade 103. Okay, that would be South Fade 103, 2.73. That would be on yes right here. Opening range high for NQ, and then that would be full TP if we want to get there. See what we do. Break even would be right here. On ES, that would be at the black line. See what we do. That's break even. Beautiful, 75% off there. And then we almost already hit this, but yeah. Banger trade. Banger. Beautiful. Crazy, beautiful. Copy link. And then a W on Tuesday. The issue with only this data, if everything depended on this data, like this would already be the strategy. Only trading on no news days with this data is crazy. Yeah, we will definitely get some losses in this. Yeah, it was right here. Again, a day where we don't have any news. Where would that be? Wednesday. I think that's a... No, Thursday was the first time. Okay, but this is like the second time trading Wednesday in one year of data. Or starting this as 2 years. See, that's 11. That's Tuesday. This is Wednesday, or is it the right Wednesday? 16th of February. Oh no, it's like the 20 something. Wednesday. 23rd. Yeah, that's right. All right. See, what would I be looking for on this day? And then doing the opposite. If there was news, looking at 9:30. It's taking sell side on this low. We're still in this monthly gap. We are dropping lower though. But we also inverse this. Here, this was literally my setup on a bigger time frame. Here. Break even and boom. But yeah, that would be my setup. But yeah, I think we're gonna go higher. My system tells me I need to be looking for higher. But yeah, no news on this day, so I'm gonna be looking for lower. And I would say that does look pretty clean. We do have all these clean lows here, so let's see. Yeah, let's see. All right, so this be a sell side target, and then just all these lows. So let's see if this is going to be a nice trading day. All right, so already looking at this structure, I don't really have to zoom in much or zoom out much because I know what range we are in. Look for bearish price. If we are bullish, then just won't be interested. Let's see what the juice swing could also do. Like it could trade all the way out to like maybe these highs, but who knows? We'll see. Okay, takes that low. See, still think we're gonna go lower. Okay, that's a big candle. That's another big candle. That's another big candle. Equalize taken. It would be a trade, but I'll be break even on. What time is this? Oh, I'd be break even on this black line. So it is a valid entry. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I can still enter on this, but I'm not going to. Like, I think if it's gonna be a W, if it's gonna be a loss, then I have to go back and take it. But my break even would literally be right here. And then if we hit this, and then that would be break even. Like, what's the chance of us hitting that low and then break even? Yeah, probably that's already hit. Yeah. Yeah, still looking for lower. This looks like a clear trend line to me here. So that will also be a target. That will also be a target. Only has those same lows. All right, so you gotta check your DMs when you're. Oh, I can. Yes, accepted. All right. Yeah, so still thinking we're gonna go lower, but what time is this? 9:47. Still in the right time. Okay, that would be the sell side. One sell side. That would be the trend line destroyed there. And then yeah, draw still lower then. Stage of accumulation is market maker sell model. What else do we have here? We have sell side below this low. This low. And then here. Do you only trade no news? This is like an experimental session. Normally I trade on days where we do have news, and this experimental session is trading on days where we don't have any news. So yeah, for this session it is, yeah. So yeah, still be looking for lower. If the setup is gonna present itself, this looks good, like a retracement. Do an SMT in this or above second stage distribution. If we inverse, then that's an entry. which we do, 1016. Stop at the high. SMT, below second stage distribution. Break even would be at the black line, which is that sell side. First EP, a minimum of 1 and 2 and side fade 1 or 3. There are no other stage of accumulation in between here, so it's going to be fixed 1 and 2. And then this would be full TP if we want to get there. And then this black line is the black line here on yes, and then yeah, okay. So let's see, this is the inversion. Let's see what we do. And break even, alright. Let's hit on yes now. No way, it's again, it gotta be another W. I think that's literally hit on a, oh no, it isn't. No, it is. That'll be 75% off at that fixed 1 and 2, and then this will be full TP. 1 and 2 are 75% off here. Base in black, the right top. And that is a 3.5, we'll see. So either going to be break even trade, going to be full TP, or it will be outside my kill zone, and then I'll close it manually. And then that's, or yes takes it, which is there. Let's see what we do. So I have to check if yes takes out earlier, then I have to manually close it, or manually take it off as well. So far not yet, still holding in this. I think it's going to be break even, yeah. So that would be crazy. But still, wouldn't be complaining. Like, it sucks, but wouldn't be complaining. Still got a nice W. But I don't know what we did. But yeah, Monday, like, or Wednesday, no news. Could be a reason, but still W, crazy, beautiful. Nice. So gonna paste this into Notion. So far, this is going great. All right, and then paste in Wednesday here. All right, remove all this. Going to the next day where we don't have any news, and that would be maximum allowed. This song literally has a dog barking in it. Why? What a song. All right. So Monday, and then, or was I already trading these days? No. Okay, so again, Monday and Tuesday, no news. See what we do there. So Monday, March 7. Oh, the string view. Yo, Ortro, what's up, man? All right, now I'm back. I don't know, muted. Oh shit. I don't know what you guys heard me say. Let me say it all over again. Yo, Ortrodden. How are you? I'm great. And then I don't know what you mean with the question. Yo, Vito, what's up? Big bro, been busy as fuck. How you doing? I'm great, man. How are you? Marketing. Hey, Vito said Mike. I was thinking Mike. Who's Mike? You meant Mike, microphone. Crazy. Market in a correction, in my opinion. I think as well. I think we're gonna, like, this is just crazy. But I think we're gonna go, yeah. I think this high is now taken. Generating instruction and still going lower eventually. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna go all the way back up there. I would say the same, yeah. Yeah, let's see what. Oh, skipping all these days. Still have to get to March 7. Yeah, or Charles, what do you mean with with the question, or like the tip, or the, how do I say it? I always forget some words. The proposal. No, I wouldn't say that's a good word. Alright, so it's still not the right date. Still have to skip all of this. Oh, and now I skipped too far. Oh no, I didn't. I'm sleeping. This will be the Monday. Alright, so let's see what I would be looking for in this. Still looks pretty bearish. I think period time frame might still be bullish. I think that's just something like I really don't like this, and then I think yeah, I don't know. I just don't like it, but doesn't mean it doesn't work. But still, this is just a day again where we don't have any news. Would be looking for the opposite, what I would normally do. And it does look bullish here. 12 hour. Yeah, we're still holding this gap here. That's we don't have a singular one, but we do have two. So we're holding this 12 hour, and then I would say bigger time frame is bullish then as well, even with this drop lower. Yeah, and then yes, yeah, also holding that. Yeah, so I'd be bullish here, but Monday no news, so I would be looking for the opposite, which is bearish. I would say looks good with the leg here. We do have a push in here, but still. We do have like an SMT in here, but still EQ has clean lows in there. Or did we inverse this? I don't know if we did. 30-minute, we did close above. And did we take the range low? Oh, we did. Oh no, I would be looking for bullish prices in here. Oh yeah, still same thing. I would be looking for bullish, looking for bearish with no news. And then yeah, what could I mark out in here? We still have a gap in here, which if this closes above, it's going to be changing the bias, because that would just be like right at 9:30. What am I looking for? But if this happens after 9:30 closing above, then it's just bullish, and then I'll be looking for bullish still, which is probably just going to do. This is now still SIBI. We should like one tick on ES. Oh, and then on NQ, that would be a 2 hour here. Just like probably the same one as that 4 hour. But let's see. So looking for shorts until we close above, and that will be after 10 a.m. and then I'll be looking for bullish prices. Let me just skip the price section before I will mark out everything here. Just looking for the setup and then seeing if it's actually a valid setup. So we closed below here. Did we take our 4 hour high? No, we didn't. So it actually is a setup, but I think it's just going to be break even. I would already be break even on this, and my entry was right here. So let's see. Yeah, that's a break even trade, so not even going to take it. Or actually I should take it. Or not actually, I should not actually take it, but just mark it out in my Notion at least. That would be the inversion. In your model, you have a certain line where you move your stop to break even. I'm just curious if you have ever considered taking partial profits when it hits that line. Yeah, that would also always be at that at a 1-to-1. Otherwise, it's going to be a line at a low or a high. Yeah, I've considered that, but it's just it's not. I've looked at like all my trades, and I look at like okay, maybe what if I just take 1-on-1 and take full TP off there, for example, and then I've just seen like, oh no, that wouldn't work on the long term. Like if I just had a 1-1 and it wouldn't really increase the win rate. Yeah, not by a lot, and then still. Like there are a lot of times when we go for way more R and it averages out. Depending on our ratio of break-even trades compared to win and loss, I think there could be benefit. Yeah, I've looked at that before. I think I have it still in here. I think it's full TP or runner. Yeah, I think it was this year. I did this many times. I'll try to always do it at like one of these folders. But yeah, it was like full TP, or no, this is not the one, but it is probably somewhere in here. Or did I delete that? Or it's in my notes here. Oh no, I delete this one. But no, I have tested before, yeah. I don't know if it actually is in here. I think it was in my notepad then. Yeah, it was in my notepad then. Yeah, so I have to mark this out in the Notion now. And then I want to see what we did after. Wouldn't be anything, so that would just be break-even trade. Just gonna mark this out in my Notion. That would just be break-even trade. Here. This is a Monday. All right. One buys long trades by taking liquidity lows. What do you mean? Yo, water flows. What's up, man? How are you? Yeah, so looking at this, there was no re-entry. Like we do have an inversion in here, but didn't take out any liquidity in here. So still looking for bearish prices. And what time is this now? 1, 2, 3. That would be at 10 a.m. Still respecting this 4-hour SIBI or 2-hour SIBI here. And then for yes, that would be that small singular. Not even a 4-hour actually. Would just be a 30-minute, but we're still in this range here. It would be the same thing. But yeah, still confirms me. Okay, still looking for shorts. Stage of accumulation is market maker sell model. The low here, these lows, which are basically equal. So let me just mark out those. That'll be here on yes. Oh, let me mark out this low because this low is same low on yes. Is it? Well, oh, it is already taken. Okay, so just looking for these. No other stage of accumulation, so yeah, so again, looking for the setup, looking at the structure here. So far I would say I would be on side with the bias, but yeah, just looking for the setup. That's one low taken. 10:35 would all still be in the right time. Drop lower, and yeah, that's the sell side. We don't have anything in here. Still think we're gonna go lower then. Not this low because that's already taken on the yes. It'll be even lower looking at this as a market maker sell model. Okay, we do have a sell side below here. That'll be a potential target. That'll be way lower on the yes, but still it's just looking for shorts directing or to that direction, just bearish still. It's almost outside the kill zone though. Let's see what we do, just playing out all this structure. Maybe a 2-minute busy. And what time is this? 11:20. So that would just be the trading day. One break even trade, totally fine. I do like to run like no real, like it's pretty still a lot of volume. And then going to Tuesday where we also have no news. So let's try that there. Okay, I see. Yeah, my thinking was just taking like 25% off when that line gets hit and letting rest run. Yeah, that's like I've seen that that's like I think that's a bit personal as well. But yeah, if I take 25% off at that position, then that's, and I don't know how many contracts I would be in with some trades, but 25% taking off at like a not even a 1-1, that would mess with the what is it, with the runner so much that yeah, I really don't like it. 129 days is actually an incredible process. None of us have kept so much data. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it's just it started with what am I gonna do with the time that like that I was spending gaming or watching something or scrolling to social media, and then deleting all of those, not doing any of those. What am I gonna do with all that time? Literally just spend it on something useful. I want to learn how to actually become a trader, and then what else can you do? Then you can watch YouTube videos, like psychology videos, podcasts, read books. But yeah, if the markets are closed, those are the only things you can do. But also, like, to me, it makes much more sense to spend most of that time just in backtesting, because this is almost the live market. Yeah, like you do have emotions in the live market, which you probably don't have in backtesting data, but that's also why it makes sense to me to create a strategy which is almost purely mechanical. Like there are some emotions involved which show the bias, but then the execution is just entirely mechanical, and there are no emotions, or there's still emotions involved, of course, but it's just it won't. I'm lost with my words. Like if you have a almost purely mechanical strategy, then like there are emotions involved, but still you could just take trades and just follow that system. It's just following that system, and the only thing that will fuck up that system is if you press the button. For me, that would be pressing the button at times where I shouldn't be pressing the button, and that's really the only thing. Only pressing the button when I shouldn't be, and that's literally the only thing how it can fuck up this profitable strategy from what I've seen from the data. Yeah. All right, makes sense. I didn't consider that break-even trades aren't only traded at a 1-to-1. I didn't consider that break-even trades. Yeah, no, it's yeah, it depends. Like sometimes I could be break-even at literally like a 0.5 RR or something. Like yeah, it really depends. Yeah, Tuesday, day without news. What would I be looking for in this? I would be looking for bullish prices, I think. Let me check. Or bigger time for me is bearish here to that low. Okay, no, I would be looking for bearish price until the low there. But yeah, doing the opposite, so looking for bullish prices in here, and then this would be the target. When I'm talking, I'm on automatic pilot. Like I mark out things, and I shouldn't even have been marking out those, which is crazy. Like I always do that. But let's see. So we have these equal lows here, maybe juicing into those lows, and then yeah, again expecting for us to trade against the drawn liquidity, which is then higher in this case. What else is this? Looks like news. All right. So what do we do here? We have taken these equal lows. This is a 4-hour low. No, it isn't. All right. So I think this looks pretty good. Equalize, equalize, equal lows taken. That would be the entry. That would be a really tiny inversion in here. It should like a few ticks. I don't know. I think it looks good, but also it doesn't. I think it's going to be a loss, but I do think it's going to be. It does look really good. 1-1 in this case would be 1-1 break even, because this high is where I'd be break even, but this is beyond the 1-1, and when it is in that case, I'll go 1-1 break even. That's right there. And that first EP 1-2 inside of A103. That'll be right here. I'm taking trades twice now. I'm asleep. And then inside of A103, minimum of 1-2 inside of A103 would be first EP. That'll be the high up here. For yes, that'll be right here. All right, and then this would be full TP if we want to get there. So let's see with this. Wow, okay. And not yet there though. Break even trade. All right, literally all of that, and then no, it didn't get hit yet. But yeah, that would be the stage of accumulation. It didn't get hit, so yeah, just a really unfortunate trade in this. It was up 1-2, yeah. But yeah, that would be a break even trade. And that was on Tuesday. Yo, Brian, what's up, man? Appreciate the insight, of course, man. How do you determine when to look for shorts versus longs, and your bias, or your bias is bullish versus bearish? What's your average annual gain for the data you've backtested so far? This is for this is the experimenting data, and 50k to 52. I literally just started this account yesterday, and I've taken, I don't know, many trades, like a few. That's I'm trying to experiment with. Normally I am trading on days where we do have news, and I want to be experimenting with, okay, what would I be looking for if we don't have any news? And I'm literally now how I'm approaching this is just doing the opposite of what I would normally do. Like I said, yeah, that's just going to be a start. Okay, let me check what how that plays out, and so far it's going great. Like I've tested this and then 1 year as well, which would be which is all right data so far, but I want to have way more years on data on this. Like I would say minimum of 3 years of data, and maybe I could just test it in trading on prop firm accounts, just the challenges, and then like how I normally trade now, and then just implement this. But yeah, how I would be looking for my bias in this. So I just look at, like, I first start to like the bigger time frame. Looking at this, that would just be on a monthly. I would be looking at the 2-month actually in this, which we're still holding. So looking at this swing low to swing high, we're still in this. We're still in this busy, and then we didn't close below this yet. So I would say, okay, this bigger time frame would still be bullish, but yeah, that's just from the bigger time frame. Then zooming in, I can see that from this low to this high, we are in this range. I would say the bigger time frame is bullish, but we are in this range, and I can see, okay, we're already here, and then probably in this here we have a singular busy, which I go to the time frame where we have a singular busy. So we have one here from swing high to swing low, 12-hour, swing high to swing low. We have another one here, daily. So we don't have any singular busy, so then I'll look for 2. And that would be on a 12-hour. So we have here one on the 12-hour and here one on the 12-hour. Once we close below this, then I'll be looking for bearish prices, and then ES has to do the same thing as well. So looking for a singular one, which I don't think we did. No, we didn't. So again, we'll be looking on one where we have 2, 12-hour, and then this needs to close below, which it did. So days where we would have news, I would be looking for shorts until this sell side, because we are in this range. So I'll be looking for shorts, but because we were what is it? On a day where we don't have any news, I'm looking for the opposite. And why was I looking for shorts yesterday? Actually, I took a short, right? Wait, what? Oh, no, I just took a long. All right. But yeah, still looking for longs in this. Doing the opposite because we don't have any news on this day. But normally I would be looking for shorts if we did have news this day. So yeah. There. You can grow more than 3% per month. Yeah, of course, yeah. Or you mean specifically me, or what do you mean with that? So here, and then what 930 was showing. So 930 showed, okay, we're a bigger time frame bearish, but this could change now. We have taken the range high in this. So if we do close below this, I would be looking for shorts in 27 minutes. And it would still be in the right time then. But for now, still looking for bullish prices. Just looking at this structure. Okay, there's not really anything here. So just waiting. And then, yeah, just waiting for a bullish setup. Or in some minutes, we're going to close below. Which will be in 4 minutes then. Which is right here. So now this 30 minutes. Now this close below. And we have taken this high inside of an inefficiency. We have taken this. ES, same thing. And then also 30 minutes, we also close below here. So this tells me, okay, now bearish price. I would be looking for the same thing if we did have news. But yeah, because I said at 9:30, what would I be looking for? But now it changed. So now it's going to be looking for shorts. Sell side there, low hanging fruits. Low hanging fruit. Sell side there. In the inversion now. Still in the right time. Let's see what we do. Just looking for the bearish setup again. Nothing here. That's the sell side taken. Just waiting. Okay. It's taking this high, but nothing yet. Still waiting. It's taking this high. We did take equalize here on yes. We do have a busy here. And if we do close below, it's going to be an entry. Okay. 1054 didn't close below, so no entry. And I think this is just going to be outside the kill zone. Oh, we did close below here. And then, oh, this would be an entry. That would be the first loss in this. Because I would have taken, or actually, taken this high. Oh no, we had this wick here, which took out this high, but then we didn't take out equal. So nothing here, 1104, and I think that's going to be it. What do we do on this? Took out this high. And then, no, we didn't take out equalize. Took out one high here, but nothing else, so still no entry. And then 1115, that's going to be outside the kill zone, and then I wouldn't enter anymore. Yeah, so here, that'll be outside the kill zone, and then just letting this play out. I want to see what we did. Okay. Okay. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Of course, man. Of course. You trained today, Orstrella? But that would be that Tuesday. And then just took a break even on this. So totally fine. See the next day where we would have no news. Monday, March 14. Alright, so skipping all of this. That's Monday, and then oh shit, 14. Not looking at the price action. I already see that we're going lower, but still. What would I be looking for? I think it's still because we have that low taken now. I think it's still bullish though, so wouldn't even matter anyway. I think it's against the buys. But yeah, same thing here. What would I be looking for? We still have this inverse. We didn't take out the low yet. So I would still be bullish looking for the opposite, but I already saw we did went lower. So I think this would just be a day where no trades taken or losses. I don't know. But yeah, would be looking for the opposite in here, which is bullish. Obviously this is bearish and I would be bearish, but no news, looking for the opposite. And then yeah, like I'm expecting for this to be this session or this experiment. I'm expecting this to be not profitable, but so far it is, which actually blows my mind. But yeah, I'm thinking this is not profitable, but so far it is. Or it is, yeah, it's profitable, yeah. So, okay, so, oh, skipping to 9:30. So right here. Right? Wait. Oh, we probably had a daylight time shift or something. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I would still be looking for shorts. That drawn liquidity is still there. But looking for bullish price because doing the opposite. Do we take out for our low? Okay, we did there. Shop lower, already took out a 5-minute low. Okay, so let's see. Look for bullish price. Looking at this as a market maker buy model. Do we have any stage of accumulations? We do, or stage of accumulation. Right there, right there. Right there, and then right here. All these lines feel like TGR, which is not a bad thing. Or maybe it is, I don't know. No, not yet. Finally wrapped up my exams and now going to start backtesting. Nice, man, nice. And now vacation, right? 2 weeks or more or less. Yeah, let's see. So still just looking for the bullish setup. Did we take out a 4-hour low? No. Okay, we did take equal lows. Wait, we didn't take a 4-hour low, or I think we did. Oh yeah, we did. So no, I have to wait at least for a 5-minute low to get taken. Otherwise, I'd be long there, and I would be stopped there if I did take the long. But waiting for a 5-minute low to get taken. Because to go for a low. Okay, we did take the buy side there. Didn't take a 5-minute low yet. Still in the right time. Okay. I thought we went lower. Maybe we're still going to. Okay, that's that low taken. But this is outside my kill zone, so that will literally be an AM session without any trades, which is totally fine. That'll be that Monday. Going to the next day where we don't have any news. I've traded in now 1 year and then this year as well. Like about to, like yeah, just starting this year. There was no, I haven't seen any day yet where we don't have any news on Thursday. So far. So let's see. Daylight time shift there again. Okay, Monday again, March 28th. Alright, let's see. Skipping all of this again. There should be like an option for you to skip to days like on FX Prepay. You have go to, and then you could go to next news event, but they should add go to next no news event, if that makes sense. Because why not? Like if you could test news days, then you should also be able to test no news days. So yeah, let's see, what day was it? March 28th. Again, March 28th. Yeah, that's right here. All right, so what would I be looking for in this? Remove all drawings. So bigger time frame. That monthly low taken. Did we close below this now? No, look, still this is what I was like looking for. Like this for it, like still respecting to me. So this still says to me, okay, we're still bullish. Only yes, won't even mark it out and be like, what would it be? That would be too high, but still. We are holding this busy on a bigger time frame, then zooming in. So this tells me, okay, bullish. This looks like a nice bullish reaction. Looking in this leg here. Okay, here, this looks really nice. So we inverse this 2-day. We have a 2-day inversion in this entire leg from swing high, or even higher. Yeah, right there, but still swing high to swing low. This looks like a clear range. Then what we have is we have a singular SIBI. So we have a SIBI here on the daily, and then I look for a singular one in the entire leg, which is then this one, and then this got closed above, and this tells me, okay, we're definitely going here. And then probably like same thing for ES. Looking in this leg, we have a SIBI here on the daily. We have another SIBI here on the daily, and I'm looking for a singular one, and that'll be right here. And then close above, and this tells me, okay, this is definitely drawn liquidity. Also having really clean highs on this, so we could probably go to this pretty quickly. We do have an S&P. The lows looks really good for bullish prices, but day without news, so probably looking for the opposite, which is then going to be bearish. If this also says bearish, or if this also says bullish. So yeah, this is still holding bullish, like again, still in this busy. We should go to this, which we probably will. Oh, we already have, okay, so we do have an SMT, but yeah, again, look for the opposite. So I'm looking at this is a market maker sell model. I think it looks pretty clean. Stage of accumulation would be here, original consolidation, or also stage of accumulation to this original consolidation. Right there would be a low right here. That'll actually be this low. That'll be the exact same low. All right, so let's see. For our highs, we have taken a 4-hour high. Oh, yes, as well. And then we already have taken a 5-minute high. Okay, so just looking for the setup. Just looking for shorts. Probably ES is going to step into that right away. But let's see in here. Okay, really bullish. You have taken all those highs now again. For our high taken, at least have to wait for a 5-minute low or high to get taken now. This could still be the Judas swing, who knows. I do think it is bullish though, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, we have taken that 5-minute high already, which is here. We've taken that 4-hour high, so it is a setup. And I think it's going to be a pretty good one. I think it's going to surprise me, or just straight up loss, who knows. but we'll see. That's the entry. Oh, we already went back a bit, but still, let's go back here. Just under 2 weeks. Nice. Have to work today and Monday. Nice. Where did you work again? You did say it before. Place order, save. Have you ever tested the Asia close strategy on the Euro USD? No, never. No. Is it with IFVGs also, or is your strategy mechanical? It's like 90. Yeah, it's like 90% mechanical. Like yeah. Oh yeah, that was the entry because that was the closure below. Break-even was 1-to-1. That just it makes most sense to me for the strategy to be the most mechanical as it can be, for there to be the least emotions involved. That just made sense to me, and that's so far this from data, just from backtesting data, it looks profitable. It should be profitable. If it's 90% mechanical, then I should be able to replicate this in the live market as well. But yeah, just really curious, like haven't been able to get anything good in December, but I think for IC traders in general, December is not so great. And for me, definitely, I've seen from data that as well. And bang, look at that. Beautiful. So I want to take it off at that actual high, yeah. 75% off. Would you have guessed this? I wouldn't. I wouldn't have guessed for us to go all the way lower from here. If I could guess, then no, but my strategy tells me I need to enter, so I enter. It's like Monkey says, this monkey does that, or I don't know. So, oh, yo, Oder, thank you for subscribing, man. Thank you. So this is the actual low on ES. And still, I don't know if I should keep those alerts on. Really looks like I'm like a Twitch streamer or something. But yeah, I wanted to 75% off here. And this is full TP because yeah, we do have these lows here, but this is already taken on ES. So I really like to look at stage of accumulations or original consolidations, or just targets in general where the actual liquidity has not been taken yet. I just like to look at that. So that'll be that low. So that'll be full TP. It's either going to be break even trade, ES is going to hit it, or it will be outside my kill zone, or yeah, TP. So let's see. And that will be break even trade. So I want to see, okay. Crazy. So that would be a break-even trade, but still, or break-even, that would be a W trade, but from there was break-even. And eventually we do go lower. I would say it still looks crazy beautiful. So eventually the sell cycle taken there, just beautiful. Like this run here, just a crazy run for us to drop all the way through there. Yeah, beautiful. Again, 1 and 2, inversion. All right, so copy link. And this is a Monday again. Paste in here. So far this is even more profitable than normal data. Let's see. So day where again have no news. Monday, April 4th. 4th of April. Oh. Alright, go to the next day. And this will be it. Okay. Oh, that's for Friday now. Alright, so what would I be looking for on this day? So, yeah, obviously bullish still from there. That we didn't reverse that, so still bullish from there. What do we have in this leg? So looking in this entire leg, daily, 2-day. Okay, so this looks really bullish as well. We were running busy. Don't even have a swing low, swing high, single busy, but still this looks really bullish. And then here probably, what do we have in here? 1 hour. So swing high to swing low, inverse this. What do we have on the yes? 2 hour, 4 hour. Don't have anything on the yes. 1 hour. 30 minutes. 50 minutes. Okay, so we do 30 minutes. And then ES, it doesn't even matter. I don't even have to mark it out. Like, it's still bullish anyway. Like, if ES is still holding it as a civvy, doesn't matter. Like, I'm still expecting for this to get inversed because I would be bullish. But day without news, looking for the opposite. So I'm bearish on this day. Let me just mark out this high in like a white or something. So I know, okay, we eventually did get there. Yeah, looking for shorts. That'll be a low-hanging fruit objective. Or that would just be low-hanging fruit. Why is this also white here? And then here as well. Pretty clean equal lows there, I would say, on the S. And let me just mark out this low as well. I don't know if we're actually going to go all the way there, but I will mark it out. And let's see, where are we in here? So this entire leg, we have a singular 50-minute civvy here. And then on ES, in this entire leg, yeah, we could see like this one as a singular one. It's 5-minute, but just to make it simple, like the juice swing could go higher. But then we have a 50-minute civvy here. But yeah, we could also with the juice swing go here, maybe even here, who knows. But still, I would be looking for shorts, because that would be against what I would normally do. So let's see. Okay. There's that buy side. We do have a big SMT now. I don't know if that's going to hold. Oh, we had an SMT at the lows as well. So looking for shorts, 4 hour. You have taken a 4 hour high, so at least I need to be on a 5-minute. So that prevents me of getting or catching a falling knife. In this case would be opposite, but still the same. I think the analogy would still be working there. Okay, so that's a 5-minute high taken. I don't think this is going to be happening again, where we would be really bullish and then drop all the way lower, but who knows? Okay, that would be a big drop, but wouldn't enter on this. That would be the inversion closure below, but this is sci-fi open inefficiency, so wouldn't enter on that anymore. I'm an accountant. Nice. Have you ever coded it? No, that would be too. I thought about it. Like, I thought about, wait, could you actually code? But no, there's no way for my strategy to get. Maybe. Well, actually. But no, I've thought about like looking for the bias, and that's something that I don't think robots could do. That's the strategy I'm attempting to make very mechanical backtest. Nice, man. I have to work through New York session. I'm kind of limited on when I could trade. The entire New York session, or only AM, or only PM, or actually the entire session. Fingers crossed I can become profitable too and start trading New York session as well. I really hope for you, man. Crossing my fingers for you as well. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so still looking for shorts in this. Okay, doesn't look like it. 10.39. If we do inverse, then that would be a trade if we didn't take out a 4 high yet. So where are we now in this leg? So I could mark that out to give myself a bit more. Oh, actually. Oh, no, we're still holding this. So We did inverse this. Bigger time frame would still be bullish. We did inverse this, but yes, didn't, so it doesn't matter. Otherwise, I would also be looking for a bullish price on this Monday, but no. If we inverse this, and that would be an entry. Which we do actually, 1043, taking out these equal highs, this high on this one swing high. Right there, that'll be the entry. Is this going to be, have I taken 0 loss in this entire session so far? I have, wow. I have literally 100% win rate on these days. I think that's literally the first time ever. That would be the break even at this here. And then on ES break even, that also would probably be at this here. Yeah. That'll also be at this open inefficiency, place, save. Let's see inversion. No, it's gonna be happening twice, right? And then first CP minimum 1 or 2 and side fade 1 or 3. We have no target here, so it'll be fixed 1 or 2. And then the opening range low, which is right here. That'll be full TP if we want to get there. But yeah, let's see. Mark out the 1 or 2. All right, let's see. All right, yeah, nice. Okay, so ending it on a loss there, totally fine. Was expected, of course. Monday, 4th of April. That'll be a loss there. Nice. Okay, so that'll be it. Didn't take out a 4i. Another one. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. No, so totally valid trade in the right time. Yeah. Okay, so that would be that trading session, or this would be the trading session again. I know, shit, I would be trading. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay. I would already be trading at 13.15 this New York session, but let's see where I ended the session. Crazy, I think. 1 loss, crazy. 8 trades to break-even trades, 1 loss. The results literally from only 1 month, or 1 month, only days where we don't have news, which are just a few days in some months. These results would already be crazy, I would say. Yeah. Average RR, ideal, doesn't really matter. Nice. I can only catch the first 45 minutes before I have to go for 8 hours. Crazy, yeah. Damn. Yeah. You will go? Yeah, I'll go, man. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I still need to eat some dinner, because my time is not I don't have a lot of time today. I really don't like people saying that, or me saying that, but yeah, I don't really have a lot of time, so I had to backtest right now, and I'll eat when trading, and then after I have to go do something. But yeah, I will go. Yeah, 9 people watching, crazy. Yeah, I will go. Fidel, thank you for watching. Orchard as well. Brian, 4FX, water flows, and then some other people watching as well. NBA maybe. Yeah, gonna end it here. Honestly, everyone, honestly, really appreciate that you're here. Crazy. Have a good night or a nice day, or if you're trading, then good luck trading today still. Have a nice weekend. See you guys. Best of luck on today's trade. Thank you, man. Thanks again. Of course, man. Thank you. You too, man. See you, bro. Oh, yeah. See you, Joshua. See you, man. Have a good night. Good trading. Good day. See you, man.